Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Edge DNS error. This issue usually happens when your browser cannot resolve website addresses due to DNS misconfiguration or incorrect system time settings. First, change your DNS settings. Go to the Windows search bar, search for Control Panel, and open it. From here, click on View Network Status and Tasks. Select your internet connection type and open it. When the pop-up appears, go to Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, then click on Properties. Here you will see your DNS settings. Make sure use the following DNS server addresses is enabled. Set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then close. Next, check your date and time settings. Right-click the date and time at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Zone Automatically and Set Time Automatically are both enabled. After that, click on Sync Now to sync your date and time. If the date and time are still incorrect, disable Set Time Automatically and change them manually. Then sync the settings again. Once done, restart your browser. Close Microsoft Edge completely, then open it again. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Microsoft Edge DNS error by updating DNS settings and correcting the system date and time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.